Here we go for another game of CQB. Today I'm going to be using the nade, the Gen 8. I gotta get a kill with this thing, I've never used it yet, so let's do it. I want to get a nade behind that thing. Holy shit. Are they close, are they?
No, they're in the other
They're just spamming.
There's about 4 minutes.
Yeah, they're just hitting the shed, man. Young fella on the side there. Get behind there. Coming up on your right.
I gotta get my nade down in behind that bunker. Oh, that kid. You ready? Are they on the other side?
Hey. Can I grab a grenade?
Did I get him? Did I get him? God, I've already naded him. I got him, man. Let's get that gap. Guy, come around the end, this guy. Just watch around that corner.
Good shit. Nice, you got him, you got him.
There's a shadow, He's on the other side of that wall. Oh, I got him. Shot. Through the gap.
Sorry. Got you, buddy.
Holy shit, this is nuts.
What's your left, man?
Yeah, there's a lot trying to get down that little alley. Oh, sorry, in the face. Jesus, smoked him. It was like 3 meters, poor guy. I saw his shadow the whole time. I was just waiting for like 3 minutes. Got her. Oh, poor kid, I just got another one in the face. Poor girl. Got him. Got him. Got him, got him, got him, got him. How close?
Very close, right on the corner, right on the edge.
I'll distract you. To the direct left, there's a bunch, as you can see. Chick. About to put a head up. Just gonna pop it in the face.
One on the doorway, just to the left.
Keep behind the white barrel. There's a girl behind that barrier. There was a girl behind it. Should have got her. Yeah, it did.
The grenades are all in there.
Yeah, mine is too.
I got one.
Oop.
Oh. Outside the shed.
There's two, one in this doorway and then one in the
One on that
doorway
outside of the
further
shed.
back down. And then one on the outside.
I'm gonna nade him. I know he's there for sure.
Tell us when you want us to suppress.
We're good.
You got it?
That was good, sorry.
Steve, around the corner to your left.
That's it. Got him, what a shot. Whoa. There's fucking got so many of those guns.
You were just like, I'm firing until they all leave. Yeah, I got a whole heat round outside.
Oh, me and Neil just took out like 7 of them, not even kidding, eh?
Keep trading kill for kill.
That was so funny. Alright.
You keep holding that edge when you corner. This hot? This hot?
Grenade.
Oh, nice. Shit, mate. Oh, no,
Get ready, we're going. Got him. It's gonna be about another one.
Good on. It's mine.